step on a Jamaican's new shoes, Clarks,
oh my god,
anything
yo,
that they just bought and they just put on, whether in a party, they just put
like,
on the road or whatever. That's the quickest way.
Don't ever step on a Clarks.
Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
What's up, guys? You know, I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know, we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We're here for a good time.
And a long time.
And a long time, you don't know.
Oh gosh, I just woke up.
Yeah.
I'm so sleepy.
Yo, look here. What is this?
We have some merch.
We got some merch right now. You can go and buy one right now. The link is down below.
So we have the females and of course we have the males.
Male shirts.
And we have a whole bunch of different colors.
Yeah, one bag of colors. There's so much colors. So go cop yours today. It's very cheap.
Check them out. Very cheap.
Very cheap. Just for you. Before we get into the video, what video are we doing again?
Ways to piss off a Jamaican.
Boom! Before we get into the video, you need to comment down below. What would piss you off? Sorry, I'm keeping that. What would piss you off? And
especially Jamaicans living in another country.
yes.
I think they feel it the most.
Yes. Comment down below, notification gang, notification squad, hit the smash the like button. If you're Jamaican, smash the like button. If you're from the Caribbean, smash the like button. If you're from America, smash the like button.
If you're from Canada,
If you're from Canada, smash the like button. If you're from India, smash the like button.
if you're from anywhere,
Yeah, if you're from
Smash the
anywhere,
like button.
yeah, just smash the damn like button.
the first way to piss off a Jamaican. Now, we see this every single day. Step on a Jamaican's new shoes, Clarks,
Oh my god.
anything
Yo,
that they just bought and they just put on, whether in a party, they just
Yeah,
put
like,
on the road or whatever. That's the quickest way.
don't ever step on a Clarks, people. A Clarks, a Jamaican
Especially the one
Clarks.
that just
They
cleaned.
just bought it and you step on it. Now man, you buy back my shoes.
Not even a Clarks, anything.
Yeah, the new shoes, like a new
Any
shoes
new
in
shoes.
general, yeah.
Don't
We step
step on
on them, I want back them money for the shoes.
No, they're gonna want to fight you for the
Yeah,
shoes.
yeah, freely. Cause that's how we take it, you know?
Take it very personal.
We take it to the streets. Second one. What you know to do to piss off a Jamaican? If it's your friend, it's your friend. You can say it. But if it's not your friend, you don't say it. Which is suck your mother. Don't ever say suck your mother to a random Jamaican.
Especially if you're doing it as a joke.
Yes.
Or you're not Jamaican and you think it's funny.
Funny,
Because
yeah.
some Jamaicans take it very
Personal.
personal, very serious.
Yeah.
Just don't.
Because if you think about it, suck your mother, that kind of, yeah, that overboard. That's take it to the streets right here.
Everything you take it to the street.
Yeah, because that's how Jamaicans do. We take it to the street.
The next one is don't assume that we all come from Kingston.
Yes.
Even though
my
I come
God.
from Kingston. But I don't come from Kingston.
No, I don't come from Kingston. I come from Spanish Town. Them
And he's
say-
going to tell it every single time you ask him because he's very proud.
Yeah, I come from St. Catherine, Spanish Town. This one, I don't even know. This is really Jamaican, but this is like,
Yeah, this is more for somebody in
yeah.
Jamaica.
Because you know, in Jamaica, you're not supposed to pick a mango tree.
Or an ackee tree.
Apple tree
anything.
without asking the person, yo, can I get some mangoes? Like, I can pick some mangoes. If you go up there and you have no permission,
And they catch you in the
Catch
street picking the mango.
just know say I get stoned. You get stoned, them are gonna fling stick off of you, them are do everything for you. Forget come out of people in place. Do not pick a Jamaican's mango tree.
Especially an East Indian mango.
Oh my god, you can take the stringies.
No, not even.
No, you can take the stringies.
No.
Yes, you can take the stringies. Because the stringy them not so good.
No.
Although string, to me personally, the string is better, the best
No,
mango.
or Julie.
But the Julie mango and East Indian, just make
Just
sure.
don't- Or ask.
You just make sure.
Just ask for the mango.
Yeah, just ask.
Don't just climb the tree.
Yeah, even in Florida, there was a big in the papers that somebody tried to take somebody's mangoes.
Really?
And they find out is a Jamaican mango
Okay.
tree. You're not supposed to take a Jamaican's mango tree. Like,
No,
don't
don't do
pick it. Do not. Better just walk past it. Even though it's so
No,
tempting.
just act. Just ask.
You see all the coconut in them? Oh God.
No, I don't think they're so personal.
They're not so
about
yeah.
the way they are about mango.
But mango, you see when the season come and it just right man. You know them probably look point the whole day, you know like
I know, especially when it's just right.
even like the older Jamaicans, oh my God, them take it personal. Them because them sit there every morning because that's all them do. You know, wake up in the morning, water the plant and look up on the plant and look
I'm
for
waiting
mango.
for the perfect moment to pick them mango.
Cause you know they want to pick it before it drop, you know, because if you drop them now,
Yes, they will.
yeah, for real.
Next thing to never do to a Jamaican is imitate their accents.
Yes.
Please, if you cannot,
Preach, my sister.
if you cannot, speak it or you don't know it.
You can have fun with it, you know, but don't. There's
Overdo it.
just don't overdo it. Just stop right there, so.
Just don't try too hard.
Yeah. Just copy yourself and say you're stop.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I hate that one.
That one is the worst.
Wagwan, yeah, man.
Yeah, Wagwan. That's another one.
Wagwan is fine, you know. Wagwan because
Sometimes.
you're just trying to be friendly, but you see the part where you say yeah, man, it irks me. It irks me. I'm serious. Sometimes it irks me. To me, I hate this one. But I really, this is one that's personal for me. Like every time, oh, you're Jamaican, they ask me, oh, yo, you sell weed, like.
Or you have a weed link.
Yeah, or you have a weed link. Yo, no, I don't smoke. I do not smoke, so I don't have no weed link. We don't sell weed.
Or
Not all
we're not
Jamaicans sell
selling
weed.
it from the bedroom.
Yeah, like me have weed on me, like right there. Yo, you have any weed on you? It's like you ask me for a cigarette. Like that's how bad it is. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Personally, I hate that. Jamaicans hate that too. Boom.
Next one Jamaicans hate is they hate when you diss or say something bad about their favorite artist. Like Vibes Cartel, Movado, Alkaline.
Yeah, even
And anybody that they love, do not diss them. Please don't. Because they take it very seriously.
Yeah.
Especially Vibes Cartel.
And don't ever say like this Gaza versus Gully that can get
into heated arguments.
So just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. You don't know. Leave it alone.
Just don't bother.
Just say yeah. If they say like Alkaline, you just say yeah man, I like Alkaline. Yeah. This one boiling in me. Don't you ever ask a Jamaican for some money or if they can borrow some money from a Jamaican. It's really bad. Don't.
Or if you borrow it, you better give them back on time.
Yes.
Don't let them see you in the party buying bottles and you have money for them.
Oh my God. And one thing about Jamaicans, we can shame you. We can shame you. We are going to shame you in at the party. I said, where my money there? Where my money there? We want back my money.
Or go on social media and tell everybody that this person have this money for them. Last night, them see them in the party buying 5 bottles and all know them can give them back the money.
Yeah, true, you know. Enough time to see that. Yeah, it's all over social media. You see, people must see. And they take it to the ground, like, you know, like they
one take it to the streets and
one take it to the ground. Yeah, like they go all out when I'm telling you. And then they go to the streets.
Guys, those are a couple things Jamaicans do not like.
Yes, comment down below what you don't like. What if you're a Jamaican, comment what you hate.
Or if you are from Trinidad, comment what you don't like.
Yeah, or Trinidad, anybody right now, comment down below. Smash the like button. You know we're here for a good time.
A long time.
We're not going yet because we want to tell you about the shirts again. Go copy your shirt. Go copy your shirt down below. It's DCSquadMerch.com. Yeah.
No, these are for you guys.
Yeah, these are for you guys. So you don't know, notifications, shout out time.
And the first notification shout out goes to Chanel Lisa.
Chanel Lisa, pick up your young self. You go right here.
Next notification shout out goes to Ali Singh.
Ali Singh, pick up your young self. You're going right here. I'm in spirit now. Go right
And
here.
last but not least, Alexis Martinez.
Alexis Martinez, pick up your damn self, you go right here. If you want to be a part of Notification Squad, you gotta hit the subscribe button, the bell, hit the like button, you know, comment down below, Notification Gang, Notification Squad, Notification, Spirit, Notification Unruly, and Notification Bad Mind, Notification Notification
Alright. Don't forget to check out the shirts and we're out.